cousin? Oh. Is that good?
It is good. Did you try it?
I know what to say.
Tease and Saber.
Smart ass.
You're the smart ass.
You're smart ass.
You're the smart ass. Oh, play innocent now.
Cosmo, superstar, Cosmo.
You are a superstar.
There's some fresh water, cousin. Oh, smart ass. Smart ass. Your water noise, sweet. What the fire in the stool? Hi, sweet. You want to go for a drink? Is that? Cosmo, superstar. Your nails are sharp. The fire in the stool. There's some fresh water, hey, Cosmo. Hey, shut up. You're a smart ass. Take your water nice, sweet. What the one, two? Do you want to go for a drink? You're a smart ass. Are you coming or watching? Some fresh water, go for a drink. Oh, you're smart ass. What you got, go for? I see you. Hey, what's your coffee? Dirt snap. Jerk. Let the fire stove. Put the fire in the stove. Want me to get fresh water? Is that good?
It is good.
Want me to turn on your feet? Want me to fix this one? I'll try it. Go open a perch. Oh, that's right. I can't race sweet. Want to go for a drink?
Where do you want to go drink? Hey? Where would you like to go drink?
He's got fresh water. Cosmo, superstar, cousin. Your nails are sharp. What the fire in the stool? You go. One, two. Cosmo, drop on your feet. Your nails are sharp. Hey, shut up. Smart ass. Hi, sweet. Let me get a coffee. Hey, shut up. What did you go for coffee? You go. I get coffee. Oh. I got a drink. Get your water noise. Hey, want a coffee? What you doing? There's no smart ass. You want to go for a drink? Come on, my pig. Go. I got a coffee. You're a smart ass. Come on, go. You're a chicken. I love you so. What? Go. Hey, shut up. You're a smart ass. Those are sharp. Hey, shut up. Hey, turn back. Hi. Hi. Hi, shut up. Hey. Go poo poo. I coffee. You coming? You go go pee. That's what superstar. Are you coming or what you? You want to go for a drink? Oh. Oh. Get up on it. Oh. Hey, shut up. Look at you. Oh, you're a smart ass.